Hello. So I'm trying something different. I'm going to unbox some new boxes I just got. I also will be posting. I have a backlog of content I haven't posted in a while. I've decided to mix things up on the channel. More details on that to come. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into these unboxings. I'm pretty excited about this. All right. So I just subscribed to this Hacker Box. My nephew had told me about this and found it. And what it is, it's a box of the month club for people that like to play with electronics and hackers, I guess. First rule of being a hacker is I don't know, you're not supposed to decide you're a hacker. You're supposed to be called a hacker. I don't know. Anyway, so I got this was my intro box, which was a previous box. It was done for a previous month and had some additional things in it. So I got some sticker packs as well. So it's got one of these Bitcoins that's just cool looking. You can get these online pretty cheap. But they're kind of fun. Cool little thing of patches. Oh, Chairborne. That's funny. I love stickers. Ah, cool. Oh, that is sweet. That is really sweet right there. Forging Elite Hardware Hackers. Cool. So the idea is these are supposed to each be a kit of some sort or a project, but I think they're a pretty eclectic collection of things in each one. I don't know that it all goes into one project. But this one's got this guy here. So that's what is that, ESP32? What's that? I need more of those. So there's his body and the pins for it. That's kind of cool, actually. What is this? Mini SAM adapter. And this is a SAMD 21 from Adafruit. Oh, here we go. This is the guy. So the thing's an adapter for him, I guess. That's kind of cool. It's a little Lego minifig. That's a microcontroller. And then we've got some jumpers, wires, and some more stickers. Cool. So I will do another video when I go to put this one together, but I'm going to do a little quick unboxing of it. Now this one, like I said, was from a previous month. This one just arrived yesterday. Pretty quick turnaround. They just barely charged my card for it, and like, oh, the next one's coming, and here it is. Oh, I gotta... Open it up. I found this amazing knife store in the next town over. Blade store. It's called Blade Runner. If you're at all into swords and knives. Oh, cool. I was needing one of these. Is this going to be a build your own logic meter or something? It looks like it. Oh, very happy Jim. Oh, that's like a whole bunch of pieces for something. Could be an oscilloscope or a logic meter. I guess I have to go on the website to see what... Oh, wait, here we go. There's a little card in here. Instructions of some sort. It is. It's a scope. So there's not a lot. I mean, it's just this card doesn't have a lot of information on it, but realistically, you know, I'm going to go online anyway. Even if I had printed instructions, I'm going to go online. When I got my 3D printer, it came with instructions, but I still went online and printed out the most recent version of the user manual just because. Anyway, so that is going to be fun. Oh, got a breadboard. Probably honestly, I don't expect. I think it's like $40 a month for this box, this kit, and I don't expect that I'm getting. I probably, if I was to buy the individual parts that I wanted out of here, it'd be less than $40 a month. But honestly, part of it is the fun of getting a thing and not knowing what it's going to be, and then deciding to sit down and do it. Got a pin, hacker pin, and USB to TTL. Cool. Oh, this is pretty cool. Power supply. In theory, they could have gotten some really good deals on buying these in bulk, and it might be a better deal to buy it this way, but it certainly is a fun thing to get. All right, I'm looking forward to putting this one together. I got both of them put together. Too many projects. Anyway, so my goal is with this channel is to make it more kind of like a vlog and random projects that are not Delphi related, and then I'm going to start putting more of my Delphi related content on the Embarcadero main site, so you can find that on there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Kind of fun. Open a couple of these boxes up, and I'll see you next time.